When it comes to taking care of your health and well-being, sometimes the best solutions are closer than you think, right in your kitchen or garden. The wisdom of natural remedies has been passed down through generations, offering simple, affordable, and effective ways to address everyday issues. Today, let's explore some incredible DIY home remedies and natural cures you can try, harnessing the healing power of nature and the comfort of home. Imagine waking up with a sore throat. Before reaching for over-the-counter medications, consider the soothing properties of honey and lemon. Mix a tablespoon of raw honey with the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water. Sip slowly and let the natural antibacterial qualities of honey, combined with vitamin C from lemon, ease your discomfort and coat your throat. This remedy not only soothes irritation, but also helps boost your immune system. For those who suffer from headaches, relief might be as simple as a cool compress and a dash of peppermint oil. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps improve blood flow and provides a cooling sensation. Place a few drops of peppermint oil on your temples and gently massage it in circular motions. Lie back with a cool cloth over your forehead, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Within minutes, you may notice tension melting away as the soothing aroma works its magic. Digestive issues can be bothersome, but did you know ginger is one of nature's most powerful remedies? Fresh ginger tea is easy to make. Simply slice a thumb-sized piece of ginger, add it to boiling water, and let it steep for 10 minutes. Sip the tea slowly to ease nausea, bloating, or indigestion. Ginger's natural compounds help calm the stomach and promote healthy digestion, making it a staple in many traditional medicine systems. When seasonal allergies strike, try a saline nasal rinse. Mix a teaspoon of sea salt with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a pint of distilled warm water. Using a neti pot or a squeeze bottle, gently flush each nostril. This simple remedy helps clear pollen and irritants from your nasal passages, reducing congestion and allowing you to breathe easier. Regular rinsing can make allergy season much more bearable. Dry skin is a common issue, especially during colder months. Rather than relying on store-bought lotions, create your own nourishing moisturizer using coconut oil and aloe vera gel. Combine equal parts of pure coconut oil and fresh aloe vera gel, then apply the mixture to your skin after bathing. Coconut oil locks in moisture, while aloe vera soothes irritation and promotes healing. The result is soft, supple skin without harsh chemicals. For minor cuts and scrapes, turn to turmeric, a golden spice celebrated for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Make a paste by mixing turmeric powder with a few drops of water, then apply it to the affected area. Turmeric not only helps prevent infection, but also speeds up the healing process. Cover the wound with a clean bandage and let nature do the rest. If you're struggling with sleepless nights, consider the calming effects of chamomile tea. Steep a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 minutes, strain, and enjoy before bedtime. Chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that binds to certain receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Incorporating this gentle herbal tea into your nightly routine can help you unwind and drift off to sleep naturally. Dealing with dandruff? Try this simple remedy. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of water, then massage the solution into your scalp after shampooing. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. Apple cider vinegar helps balance scalp pH and has antimicrobial properties that combat dandruff-causing fungus, leaving your hair fresh and flake-free. For tired, swollen feet, indulge in a soothing Epsom salt soak. Fill a basin with warm water, add half a cup of Epsom salt, and let your feet rest for 15 minutes. The magnesium in Epsom salt relaxes muscles and reduces inflammation, offering relief from aches and pains after a long day. For an added touch, sprinkle a few drops of lavender essential oil for a calming aroma. Acne can be persistent, but tea tree oil is a natural solution worth trying. Its powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects make it a popular choice for spot treatments. Dilute a drop or 2 of tea tree oil in a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil, and apply directly to blemishes. Repeat nightly before bed, and watch as redness and swelling begin to fade. For those moments when stress feels overwhelming, practice deep breathing with a calming herbal blend. Steep a mix of lemon balm, lavender, and passion flower in hot water, then sip slowly as you focus on your breath. These herbs support the nervous system, helping to quiet the mind and promote emotional balance. In just a few minutes, you may find a sense of peace returning. Cracked heels are another common concern, especially during dry weather. Make a simple exfoliating scrub by mixing a tablespoon of honey with a tablespoon of brown sugar. Massage onto your heels in gentle circular motions, then rinse with warm water. Follow up with a rich moisturizer, ideally coconut oil or shea butter, and slip on a pair of soft socks overnight. You'll wake up to smoother, softer skin. If you're fighting off a cold, boost your defenses with a homemade elderberry syrup. Simmer dried elderberries with water, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and a touch of honey until the mixture thickens. Take a spoonful daily during cold and flu season. Elderberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help support immune health and shorten the duration of illness. Sunburn can leave skin tender and uncomfortable. Cool the burn and promote healing with an aloe vera gel and cucumber compress. Blend fresh cucumber and mix with aloe vera gel, then apply to the affected area. Both ingredients are rich in soothing compounds that reduce inflammation and hydrate the skin, speeding up recovery and providing much-needed relief. For oral health, oil pulling with coconut oil is an ancient practice with modern benefits. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with warm water. This method helps remove harmful bacteria, freshen breath, and support healthy gums, all without harsh chemicals. Finally, don't underestimate the power of movement and mindfulness. Simple stretches or gentle yoga, combined with a few minutes of meditation, can transform your day. Focus on your breath, listen to your body, and let stress melt away as you reconnect with yourself. While home remedies won't replace professional medical advice for serious conditions, these natural cures offer gentle support for everyday concerns. By embracing the wisdom of nature and the resources in your own home, you can nurture your body, mind, and spirit in simple, meaningful ways. Try one or more of these remedies and experience firsthand the incredible healing power that's always within reach.